So many people who listen to, our show either have Lyme disease or they just have a tick problem. So for those who are not as familiar with babesiosis, can you talk a little bit about it and how it may differ from other tick-borne diseases like Lyme?
Yeah, so of course, uh, this is preaching to the choir, but ticks are really nasty critters,
Yes.
and they're full of nasty organisms. Some of them are viruses,
Hmm.
some of them are bacteria, and some of them are parasites. So Lyme disease is a bacterium, and probably the most common tick-borne disease.
Yes.
Um, Babesiosis is caused by a parasite, which invades your red cells.
Hmm.
And in that sense, it's a little bit like malaria.
Hmm.
And um, and then the issue with, at least with Babesia and Lyme, and where there's a commonality and then where there's a difference, is that there's an acute phase, which in theory there are established treatments for. And then, but if it's misdiagnosed or not treated, then there's a dissemination and a prolongation of the infection, which causes, all the chronic issues that I'm sure folks listening to this podcast are very familiar with.
Yeah.
And, we need to be improving access to treatment in the early phase